Hello students, let's start our lesson. Lesson number 12 from page number 80. The functions of blood. Functions of blood, first one is the transport of gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are transported through the blood. Transport of nutrients. Many nutrients like glucose, amino acid, fatty acids are taken up by blood from a wall of alimentary canal and transported up to each cell in the body. Now transport of waste material. As they are transporting useful material, they also collect the waste material from cell to cell. Nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatinine are collected by the tissue into blood which carries those to kidney for excretion. Protection antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Transport of enzyme and hormones. Blood transport the enzyme and hormone from the side of their production to the side of their action. Thermoregulation, that is, they maintain the body temperature constant at 37 degrees Celsius by vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Vasodilation means they raise our temperature, down our temperature according to the temperature atmosphere in the summer and winter season. Maintaining the balance of mineral like sodium, potassium. If bleeding occurs at the injury, platelets and protein called fibrinogen of the blood from a clot and seal the injury. That is the main functions of the three main groups of blood groups. Four groups A, B, AB and O. Besides, there are two types of blood also, Rh negative and Rh positive of each of those four groups. Thus, in all, 8 blood groups are formed. For example, Rh positive and A Rh negative, B Rh positive, B Rh negative, AB Rh positive, AB Rh negative, and O. That means they are the 8 total groups are there. Rh में rhesus, I have written here rhesus. Blood donation, if a person need if there suppose accidental any major surgeries are there is a loss of blood. In such condition, the patient need a blood donation. Such time, many times blood transfusion is necessary during the surgical operation, just like anemia, thalassemia, cancer too. Blood transfusion is carried out to compensate the blood storage in the body. This is called a blood transfusion. Now, from where the blood groups supplied for the blood transfusion? Blood banks. There is a banks where our blood is stored. And recipients, person who receives the blood. Person of the blood group O can donate the blood to the person having any other blood group, whereas the person with AB blood group can receive the blood from the any blood group. Hence, O is a universal donor and AB is a universal recipient. Now here Bombay blood group about given here that if blood groups are hereditary and depend upon the genes inherited from parent. Blood transfusion is performed only after the blood group is matching. We can't do ourselves by our own will to donate the blood to anybody. If it is done without matching, it may prove fatal. Person who donate the blood may recipient in future without any expectation is always life saving. Blood donation. Blood is required in various situations like accident, bleeding, parturition, surgical operation. Blood donated by healthy person is used to save the life of needful person. Hence, blood donation considered to be the best donation. And O also called as a Bombay blood group also. Now, come to on the next page. The temperature thermometer, then at that time, then oximeter. At that time, we also discuss about the phagomanometer. phygmomanometer. Phygmomanometer is measured to for the blood pressure. Now, what is the blood pressure? Blood continuously kept flowing through blood vessel due to contraction and relaxation of the heart. Due to contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the wall. Arteries exerted on the wall of the arteries and is called as a blood pressure. That's why I have already discussed that is the arteries wall is very thick, that they bear the pressure of that blood. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the body. Pressure accorded during the contraction of heart is called as the systolic pressure, and that are recorded during the pressure of the healthy person is about 120 to 80 meter and 139. That is the systolic pressure. Look at in the picture what the doctors do. The doctor take the air balloon in his hand and wrap the strip to our underarm, and he take the exert a pressure with the help of this air balloon on our arteries. Then measure the systolic pressure at the it is 120 and release it, that it is a 80 mm, the normal pressure. Now, what is hypertension? We say that it's how very high BP, then heart is hypertension. High blood pressure than the normal is referred as a hypertension. In arteries of the person with hypertension, unnecessary tension develops. Heart needs to perform more function than the normal condition in case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressure are high in hypertension. Now, blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 ml of blood is collected from person during donation, and our body cover it within 24 hours. Pregnant and breastfeeding women cannot donate the blood. There is no trouble during or after the blood donation. 1st October is observed as a National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of age more than 80 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times. Here normal blood pressure you have given कि 90 to 199 systolic pressure होना चाहिए, diastolic pressure is 60 to 79 होना चाहिए. प्राइमरी हाइपरटेंशन 120 139 है. हाइपरटेंशन फर्स्ट स्टेज का 140 159 है. हाइपरटेंशन स्टेज 2 मतलब ग्रेटर देन 160 mm, दिट इज द हाइपरटेंशन स्टेज 2 है. Now, ABA, this you read by yourself. Gastrical and Sturley in 1902. What is the Nobel Prize for blood groups they have invented, discovered? And do you know you have omitted? And on the last slide, I have given all the exercise. This is the exercise you have given. Next also, the many question and answers, the function of the blood and differentiate between the arteries and veins, external respiration and internal respiration. Here the explanation of the WBC, RBCs, scientific reason, all are have given here. You have to note down in your workbook with a notebook. Till student, goodbye.